How to add a page numbering stamp to each page with PDF Image Printer 12. Whether you are using TIFF Image Printer, PDF Image Printer, or a raster image printer, with version 12 of Peernet's image printers, users can add text stamps, image stamps, page numbering stamps, and date and time stamps to created files. This video will discuss creating images stamped with page numbering. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the image printer icon on your desktop to launch the image printer dashboard. If you have removed the image printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to your image printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Either create a copy of one of our system profiles or select Add Profile. I will create a copy of the system profile Color Optimized TIFF because I still want to create color multi-page TIFF images. I just want to add a page numbering stamp to the created TIFF images. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it a demo profile and will add with page numbering to the description. Go to the Stamping tab. Select Add a Page Numbering Text Stamp. By default, the stamp is configured to number your pages in the format page 1 of 10 pages. This format uses all of the pieces available to you when numbering your pages. Conversely, if you simply want the page number, uncheck everything except Include Page Number padded with zeros to a width of. The style of page numbering is very customizable, so it's up to you to determine how you would like your page numbering displayed. You can also adjust the font type, size, and color. Under Position, you have the option to include the stamp on all pages, the first page only, even pages only, odd pages only, or all pages except the first page. You can add transparency to your stamp and adjust the alignment. For the purposes of this example, I am going to add our page numbering stamp to the bottom center of the page. Please note that while on pages with standard 1-inch margins, a stamp in the bottom center will appear to be in the footer space, but the stamping tool does not reserve space for the stamp. If you have a page with no margins or very small margins, the stamp will be layered over the contents of the page. I am not going to rotate this stamp, but that is an option available. When you are done making changes to your page numbering stamp, click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. If you wish to make this new profile the default profile used by the image printer, select Manage Printers. Beside your image printer, drop the box for the profile and select your new profile as the default. Save your changes. Printer Management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. Now when you print to your image printer, each page of your image will be stamped with the page number in the bottom center of the page. Try out our PDF image printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below for a free trial.